Morning everyone. Today before I'll start our main topic, I have question muna sa inyo. So, I have 3 questions here. Kung sino yung makakasagot, may plus points. So, who can answer question number 1? Questions here. So, question number 1. How does IT help in providing education? So, who can answer? Please raise your hands. Anyone? Raise your hands. What's at the back? Okay, Mr. Tumubal, please stand up.
Information technology or IT has transformed the education sector in various ways, improving the quality, accessibility, and effectiveness of education. It helps enhance the learning experience, improve accessibility, efficient administration, and personalized learning. So IT has revolutionized the education sector, providing new opportunities for learning, teaching, and administration. By leveraging IT, educators to create more engaging, effective, and personalized learning experience for students. That's all.
Go. Okay, thank you, Mr. Tumubag. Anyone else? May tatag kay Mr. Burgos? Please stand up.
Technology significantly enhances education by providing access to more information, facilitating personalized learning, and making the learning process more engaging and interactive. And that's all. Thank you, sir.
Okay, nice idea. Very good, Mr. Burgos. Okay, dito na naman tayo sa mga girls. Mga girls, anyone else? Wala? Please raise your hands. Sino po may ano yung tatagad? Tama ka na. Yes, Miss Mabilog. Stand up. Very good. Ang gaganda ng mga sagot nyo. Sino po may tatagad? Mr. Brillantes. Stand up.
AI can be a powerful tool in academic paths, essentially to use it ethically and responsibly along with.
Explain. Okay guys, your answers are all valid. So that's how IT helps us in our education in this generation. So these are the next question. Question number 2. How does AI help in improving education?
Anyone?
Anyone? Anyone else? Raise your hands. Dito naman tayo sa mga girls kasi parang hindi sila nagpa-participate. Miss Blasey, stand up.
Personalized learning adaptive learning system. AI-powered adaptive learning system adjusts to individual students' needs, abilities, and learning styles, providing a tailored learning experiences.
Blasey, very good. Anyone else? Ano bang ibang mga kamay dyan? Sino next? Okay, anyone else? Sino ba mga sagot? Yes, Miss Isabel, stand up.
Can you repeat that?
This is the question. How does AI help in improving our education?
Intelligent tutoring system or AI-powered tutoring system offer one-on-one providing real-time and guidance to students.
Okay, proceed. Lipat naman tayo sa kabila. Kasi ang maganda ng sagot na dun sa... Okay, anyone else? Raise your hands.
Sir.
Ba't isa na yung nagtatas ng kamay? Wala pa interesado sa klase ko? Okay, Miss Ilan, stand up.
To answer this question, sir, AI is improving education by personalizing learning, automating administrative tasks, and providing teachers with data-driven insights to enhance teaching and student engagement. Yun lang po, sir.
Okay, thank you, Miss Ilan. Proceed. Anyone else? Parang lahat naman natin nagpa-participate. So dito na lang tayo sa mga girls. Ang gaganda nyo ngayong mga araw. Yes, Miss Ismail. Stand up. Okay, so makinig ba? I will repeat the question twice.
Yes.
How does AI help in improving education?
AI can help improve education outcomes, increase accessibility, and enhance the overall learning experience. That's all.
Tama, tama. Ang galing sumagot. Pag may installation ka sa room.
Depends on you.
Imagine, no? 10 years from now, Siguro itong whiteboard natin dito is touchscreen na to?
Yes, sir. Yung ilaw, sir, nagtatakbo-takbo na, sir.
Ganyan! That's how AI works.
Tama, sir.
Ganyan. Malaking tulong yung AI sa atin. Kasi nga, swerte na kayo ngayong generation na to. Kasi we have mga digital phones na, mga laptop.
Yes, sir.
Kung alam nyo lang nung panahon ko,
Tama.
kung ano dinadala ko sa school.
Ano, sir?
Tanungin yung pala ng teachers yan sa labas. Mga batchmate ko. Libro. 4 na libro. Binabasa ko yan sa isang araw. Tapos kayo ngayong mga kabataan nyo. Cellphone. May cellphone na kayo. Ganyan kalaking tulong yung naitutulong ng AI sa atin. In our education. Gets?
Sir.
Okay, let's move on. Let's proceed to question number 3. Okay, let's move on now to the next question. Let's proceed. The question number 3 is, how do you foresee education after 10 years? Anyone? Raise your hands. There. Tapos na tayo.
This is my answer. Personalized learning, AI-guided, adapted learning system will become more prevalent, tailoring education to individual student needs and ability to learning style.
Okay. Very good. Number 3. Okay, anyone else?
Sir.
Dito muna tayo. Okay, Miss Double, stand up.
After 10 years, competency-based progression, students will progress through education based on demonstrated mastery of skills and knowledge rather than age or seat time.
Okay. Anyone? Mabilis lang naman tayo. Okay, stand up.
Ano yung question, sir?
Sorry.
Can you read again the question, sir?
Okay, sure. This is the question. How do you foresee education after 10 years?
So, in 10 years, sir, education will be significantly more personalized and technology-driven, emphasizing practical skills and lifelong learning.
Sit down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sit down.
Thank you.
Anyone? Dito naman tayo sa mga ating magagandang mga binibini. Anyone? Raise your hands. Okay, Mr. Sinon, stand up.
Sir, may I ask to repeat the...
Sure. No problem. This is the question. How do you foresee education after 10 years?
So, this is my answer, sir. Maybe after 10 years, there is some changes or advancement becomes in technology. So, it may help our education. So, it will shape by technology advancements, changing societal needs, and involving pedagogies. While there are challenges to address, the potential benefits of these changes are vast, and education has the power to transform lives and in society.
Very good. Take a seat. Okay, in summary guys, iiksihan natin yung mga sagot ninyo kasi mahaba na talaga yun. Summary guys, ang laki talaga ng impact ng AI at saka IT sa ating in our life, not as a student sa inyo and sa akin as a teacher, but in general, in our daily lives. Sobrang laki na yung tulong yan because kasi nga, sa tulong ng AI, napapadali yung work nyo as a student. And sa IT naman, because IT is what? General, in our daily lives. Kasi, AI has a very big impact na naitutulong as a pagiging student nyo. Based nga sa mga na-mention nyo kanina, yung mga pinagsasagot ninyo, which is tama naman. So I hope may naintindihan kayo sa klase natin for today. May dadagdag pa ba? Questions?
Answered.
dismissed.
Thank you.